Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Incredible India. So given below are some remarkable facts related to India. Learn them thoroughly. The first is zero was first used in India. पता है आपको जीरो का कंसेप्ट कहाँ से आया था? इंडिया से. Aryabhatta 476 AD was the first mathematician to treat zero as a number. And second, Leh Airport in Ladakh at a height of 10,682 feet is the highest non-military airport in the world. Non-military airport है ये सबसे highest, सबसे ऊंचाई पर है. That is in Leh Airport in Ladakh. Okay. Next is algebra was invented in India by Brahmgupta, an Indian mathematician and astronomer 598 to 668 AD. Next is there are about 325 languages and dialects being used in India much more than any other country. India में सबसे ज़्यादा languages, सबसे ज़्यादा बोली जो हैं वो बोली जाती हैं पूरे world में, right? Tamil is the oldest of all Indian languages and also the oldest living language in the world. सबसे पुरानी और सबसे लंबी duration तक चलने वाली language कौन सी है बच्चे? तमिल. Dr. M.C. Modi has the world record for performing the most eye operations to his credit. जिसने सबसे ज़्यादा eyes operation perform किए हैं. He performed 6,10,564 operations until February 1993. And the 1366.33 meter, that is 4,483 feet long platform of Gorakhpur railway station in Uttar Pradesh is the longest in the world. सबसे बड़ा platform that is in Uttar Pradesh. The Constitution of India is the longest in the world and it has 395 article and 12 schedule. बताइए आपको सबसे lengthy constitution जो है वो इंडिया का है जिसमें 395 articles हैं और 12 schedules हैं. Maisaram in Meghalaya is the wettest place in the world and with an average annual rainfall of 467 inches per year, closely followed by Cherrapunji with 450 inches of rainfall per year. तो पहले आपको पता है ना सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश कहाँ पर होती है? चेरापूंजी थी. ठीक है, अब वो जगह कौन सी हो गई है? मेघालय में मैसरम, जो कि क्लोजेस्ट ही है. 467 इंचेस पर ईयर एनुअल रेनफॉल होती है यहाँ पर. चेरापूंजी में 450. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Bhupen Hazarika Bridge, that is 9,150 meter to 30,019 feet over the river Brahmaputra is the longest river bridge in the India. India का longest river bridge है ये. And next is the Khardugla road in the Leh Manali sector at a height of 5,602 meter is the highest road in the world. World का highest road है ये. And the Sundarbans Ganga Brahmaputra Delta in West Bengal and Bangladesh is the largest delta in the world. It covers an area of 16,902 square kilometer. बताइए आपका वर्ल्ड का सबसे फर्टाइल और सबसे बड़ा डेल्टा that is Sundarban Delta. The Siachen Glacier on the Indo-Pak border is 70 km long. It is also the highest battleground in Asia. Shankar's International Doll Museum in New Delhi has the largest collection of costume dolls from 79 countries. All of them are dressed in the traditional costumes of their countries. तो दिल्ली में जो डॉल म्यूजियम है उसमें बहुत सारी 79 कंट्रीज़ की डॉल जो हैं अपने ट्रेडिशनल कॉस्ट्यूम में वहाँ रखी गई हैं. And Malawat Purna became the youngest person to climb Mount Everest in 2014 at the age of 13 years 11 months. So बच्चे, this is the chapter. Now fact bank, this you have to know. The 8th schedule and the 71st amendment provided for the inclusion of Sindhi, Konkani, Maithili and Nepali, thereby increasing the number of official regional languages of India from 18 to 22. बहुत सारे 8th schedule से बहुत सारी languages को regional language का official regional language उनको माना गया था. ठीक है, इसीलिए जो regional languages थी वो 18 से 22 हो गई. So बच्चे, दिस इज द चैप्टर रिलेटेड टू इंडिया. आई होप आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से आप इसके रिवीजन खुद करेंगे.